Let's make chicken dumplings with some chili garlic oil. Dumplings have a lot of varieties in different cultures, but this is just how I make it, so I hope you like it. So I've taken chicken here and I'm gonna add all the vegetables and ginger garlic paste into it. Some soy sauce, black pepper, salt, and egg yolks. Mix everything, and this is the mixture that's gonna go in the dumplings. I'm using ready-made dumpling pastry here. You can make dumpling dough with just plain all-purpose flour and water. Knead a firm dough and roll it out and cut the circles or squares, whatever shape you want. I'm gonna put the details of the stores from where I buy these dumpling pastries, and they're just perfect and so much easier. So for chili oil, I've taken green onion, red chili flakes, garlic, coriander, and paprika. Usually, gochugaru or Korean chili flakes are used in this, but we cannot find that very easily here. So I'm using these things. Now pan fry the dumplings a little bit of oil and then add a half a cup or a cup of water and steam them on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes, and they should look like this. Then just plate them up, put some chili oil on them, and enjoy while they're hot. I add these dumplings to my ramen soups as well, and they're just absolutely stunning in there. Try these and I hope you enjoy them.